Welcome to another video on crypto and stocks. So let's get started with the video. First news is about the S&P Global ratings. So S&P Global is one of the prestigious organization in the world, and they have predicted that cryptocurrencies, decentralized finance, and all the crypto ecosystem is gonna be keep on growing in 2022 as well. And in 2021 there was a massive gains in a lot of coins and cryptocurrencies, and S&P Global thinks or predicts that this trend will continue in upcoming years as well. So that is really positive news for the crypto investors. The next news is about the Polkadot. So Polkadot and German Telecom Giant have gone into the partnership, and this German Telecom Giant has acquired some dot tokens. So really good news for the Polkadot investors. I have also invested in the Polkadot, and I think Polkadot has potential to grow the returns or give the returns massively in upcoming years. The next news is about the Indian security regulator, that is SEBI, which has warned the mutual funds against investing in cryptocurrencies because they think that the laws and the regulations are not in place for the cryptocurrencies, and that's the reason they are saying that mutual funds should avoid investing in cryptocurrencies at this point of time. They are not sure about the future at this point of time, but at this point of time mutual funds have been barred from investing in crypto. The next is about the Ethereum, and Microsoft says that Ethereum will become a decentralized app store in 2023. So another good news coming from the Microsoft for the crypto investors. So Ethereum will become a decentralized app store in 2023, and that's the reason I am very bullish on Ethereum, BNB, and lot of other top cryptocurrencies. The next news is about some of the stocks. They have given really good returns in 2021. Tata Motors, Tata Power, Tata Elxsi, Tata Teleservices, Nelco, all the Tata companies, and they will continue to give good returns in upcoming years as well. If you have long-term view of 10 years, 20 years, then these stocks, Tata stocks, will keep on giving good returns in that duration of time. The next news is about the Ferrari, who has got into the partnership with the blockchain firm called as Velas, and they will be selling the NFTs as well. So even Ferrari is getting into blockchain and crypto ecosystem. So good news for the crypto investors. The next news is about the Elon Musk. So Elon Musk had a wonderful, massive year, 2021, and a lot of things happened. He became the richest person in the world. Then he paid most taxes ever, $11 billion in American history. Hosted SNL, then Time Person of the Year award he got. Then Tesla delivering most cars ever. He also won $3 billion NASA contracts as well. Then took 8 astronauts to International Space Station for the NASA. And Starlink launched 900 new satellites. So that is massive number of satellites he has launched via Starlink, another company headed by Elon Musk. So really massive, truly massive year for the Elon Musk and his companies and the stakeholders as well. The next news is about the semiconductor companies, and I'm very bullish on the semiconductor companies, especially because semiconductor is being used everywhere in electric cars, Internet of Things. Everywhere, semiconductor companies have very good demands, and these are some of the very quality companies: Nvidia, ASML, AMD, EMBA, MRVL, MU, TSM, ON. And if you want to invest, these are really good companies to bet on the semiconductor sector. The next news is about the what you learned about 2021. So what I learned in 2021 is capital allocation with a concentrated portfolio market. This is very important. So one of the mistakes that I did in the 2021 is that in some of the companies I didn't do enough allocation, and but the stocks went like 10x, 5x. So I couldn't capitalize on that one, and that's the reason I think capital allocation is very important. If you think that company is a really good, high quality company, and it is a growth stock, then you have to invest heavily. Okay, 10% of a total portfolio value, or at least 5%, not less than that. Then only you will make good money. The next is about the Binance. So Binance has started the crypto financing services in Canada, and also Bahrain's central bank has given approval to Binance to provide the crypto services in Bahrain as well. So good news for the Binance stakeholders and investors. The next news is coming from India, where RBL Bank stock has nosedived. It has stumbled, and it will keep on nosediving and giving negative returns to the investor. So I will recommend that do not invest in such stocks. RBL Bank, not a good stock. The Motilal Oswal's Ramdev Agarwal had said that he had bought the RBL Bank for the long-term investment perspective, but I think if you are a new investor, then do not invest in other banks. Stick to the quality stocks like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. These top three banks are really quality companies, and you should invest in such stocks. No need to go for other stocks like RBL Bank, especially when there is a you have got the options of these good banks like ICICI Bank, HDFC banks, etc. And the final news is about this Ward Wizard electric vehicle maker. So Ward Wizard is listed in the Indian stock markets, and it has seen multi-fold jump in the sales at 2,885 units in October. And so is the stock price is also given really good returns as well. So that's it in this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in next one. Thanks for watching.